Tell us about your story in terms of when they started with you. How did they manifest themselves?
I can't really remember, Simon, when they started.
Yeah.
I just remember I used to get them every 2 years. They'd last for about 6 weeks.
6 weeks?
Yeah.
Wow.
So sometimes I'd end up in A&E. I actually insisted on one occasion that I had a brain tumour. They were that bad. I kept saying to the doctor, no, you're wrong. Do that test again, it's a brain tumour.
And was it pain, Mary, or what was a combination of things? What was it?
So it was excruciating, extreme pain. My vision becomes blurred. I become violently ill. My hearing, it's funny. You kind of lose sense of all your senses around you. It's just you're blacked out to the world, to the light. You just focus on this really, really massive, intense pain. Yeah. Absolutely terrifying.
So did it happen on and off for 6 weeks, or basically for a 6 weeks period?
Constant.
You were very
so
debilitated.
You'd kind of just get over one, and then within an hour, say, you'd go straight back into another one. So that would go on.
And when were you diagnosed with actual migraines then?
So my son passed away in 2011, and after he died, they became more frequent and became more intensive. And I ended up in hospital more frequently with them. And it was through seeing neurologists in A&E. I was referred to a neurologist in St James's Hospital. So she kind of took over my case, and she's been looking after me ever since.
And what was the treatment path, Susan? Like, how were you dealing with them? How did you deal with them?
So there was various different medications I was tried on. Some worked for a short time, some didn't work. We found a medication that worked for a while, and then I was on that for probably about 2 years. And then after, the headaches were becoming more frequent again, and that medication wasn't working. It was taking a lot longer to work. So they tried me on another drug, and thank God at the moment that drug is working really, really well.